DNA sequencing has become a routine job in the lab. Whether you do a lot of PCR, plasmid prep or library construction, you always have to do some DNA sequencing in the end. The process of sequencing itself is quite simple, so DNA sequencing is not an experiment but more a process. It's just like driving a car on your way back home or buying some groceries in the market. But once you have some samples that need to be sequenced, you encounter one inconvenience: working with an order form. Every time you outsource DNA sequencing to a company or a lab, you have to provide the names of the template and the primer one by one. If you have more than several hundred samples to be sequenced, that means you have to work with several hundred lines on the web. You can do that by importing an Excel file to the web page, which function is provided by some of the companies, but this is not still very convenient. When you buy bread from a bakery, you don't need to be troubled by these bothersome matters. So here comes our question. If DNA sequencing is such simple and routine work, can't it be as simple as buying bread in the market? And here comes our answer. Yes, it can be simple by using EZ-Seq service by Macrogen Europe. The basic concept is simple. We send you some labels and you send us the samples with the labels on them. That's it. All you need to do is to request the labels so that we can send them to you. When the labels come back to us with your samples, we already know they are from you, and we can send their results to your email address within 24 hours. No order sheet, no online registration, and no logging. And more than that, it's only €5 per sample. EZ-Seq, the easiest way of having your DNA samples sequenced.